Hi guys, welcome back to Decadency. Thank you all for tuning in once again. So today I'll be making a dish inspired by Kauai's bowl. It will just have a twist of... On our table we have 100 grams of baby spinach, a handful of coriander rinsed up and ready to be used, some pink salt, sweet corn from a can, chickpeas from a can again, both just half a cup, some celery, onions, fennel, parsley, chili flakes. This is about 100 grams of mixed broccoli and cauliflower, some lemon wedges, ginger flakes, black pepper, butter and olive oil. This is going to be for when we are frying the fish. Then we have our special ingredient, the seafood rub and the fish itself. Now, let's get cooking. So, it's time to marinate the fish. I'm going to add my seafood rub and my pink salt. I'm not going to add a lot of salt to it because the seafood rub already has some salt. It's just that they sometimes put too little. I'm not saying I like salt, but everything needs salt. Just going to do that. Then I'm going to turn it around so I can get each and every side of the fish. I'm only going to add salt to the flesh side and not the skin side. Just preference. Not too much. There you go. Now, time to fry this. So I preheated my stove to level 6. Just going to put my small pot on the stove top and add some boiled up water. I left my pot on the heat for too long. But anyway, not gonna add too much water because I want the broccoli and the cauliflower to steam other than like boiling. So I'm gonna now add my broccoli and cauliflower to the water. Close the pot and count down to 10 minutes. Then while that's cooking, I'm going to attend to the fish. The pan is already preheated as well. I'm just gonna add the oil and the butter. There you go. I love this sizzle. Oh my goodness. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of my chili flakes. Woo! And some ginger flakes as well. So what I'm trying to achieve by doing this, it's to basically give the butter and the oil like a certain flavor that will basically impart into the fish as it cooks through. I need an apron with sleeves. Oh my god. I haven't even started cooking the fish, but this smells divine. The smell of butter. I'm now gonna add my fish. Skin first, so basically the skin at the bottom and the flesh on top. At this tiny one, so I can basically flip the pan. We are going to leave this to cook for about 5 minutes before we flip it around. Once you flip the fish around, please don't flip it back because you're going to basically ruin that skin at the bottom. So yeah, don't flip it too early because it will be stuck on your pan. And also try using a non-stick pan for this. If you don't have a non-stick pan, use butter and non-stick spray.
5 minutes later.
So it's now time to flip the fish. Just carefully flip it. Ooh. I swear the aromas coming off of this are so... That's all I can say. Look at that. Beautiful. Then I'm going to drain this because it's proper now. And I'm just going to turn off the stove. So my fish is now done. I am going to turn off my stove and remove my fish from the pan. Let's see. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Has that lightly golden, tinge to it. There's definitely something going on with this fish. Cannot wait to eat this. Done. So now that we're done cooking, it is time to plate. We're going to add our baby spinach and the coriander. Assemble it nicely in the bowl. There we go. Then we're gonna add some fennel. There's also a touch of the bulb in there. Just sprinkle that over there. Then we're gonna add a handful of our broccoli and cauliflower, also assembled very nicely. We are eating with our eyes after all, right? Whew. My mouth literally cannot contain itself. I'm about to drool over these food. There we go. I don't want to add too much. Next thing, my plate will look like it can feed the whole of Africa. So sprinkle some sweet corn. Love that yellow pulling through. Come through, honey. Gonna sprinkle some chickpeas as well. I'm loving the colors already. Then we're gonna add all the celery. There we go. Put some of these onion strips. Oof. There's like a really beautiful bowl of beautiful colors pulling through. Let's also assemble this onion. We are eating with what? Eyes. Ooh. Where can I put this? There and there. Great. Now it's time to put our fish on this beautiful bed of veggies. I'm going to put 2 because I need that protein, but I'm going to put 2 small ones. There we go. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper over all of this. Done. Now it's literally time to indulge. There are people who want lemon squeezed into their fish. I'm one of those people. So I'm just gonna take a wedge. Ooh, let me take these seeds out. There we go. And just sprinkle that over my dish. Oh my goodness. Another one. Another one. Oh, okay. It's time to eat. Oh my goodness. How could I forget my parsley? Something to just garnish the dish. Oof. Not too much. The dish is already green, so I don't want it to look like a forest. There. Voila. Time to indulge. Now that we're done cooking, it's time to taste what we made. Looks really good. Just gonna start with the fish. Oof. This is so beautiful. It literally tastes exactly how it looks. That kick of the ginger, the kick of the chili, it's so subtle. My goodness, one last bite. You know what? Yum. So if you want to, you can add some balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, or a salad dressing. I just prefer eating this as clean and lean as possible. Now, I need to finish this, but before that, thank you so much for tuning in. Continue liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, honey doodle. Till you tuning in again. Bye.